when you're trying to download a PNG file and you download it like this, these are easy tips you can use to remove the background from this using your CorelDRAW, any version. So first of all, you get your image down into a CorelDRAW blank sheet. Then you go to your bitmap. I advise you bitmap it first using this 300 RGB. Okay, you go back to your bitmap again. You go to mode. Sorry, you select it first. Go to mode and you black and white. At times it will show you different contrast. You put it to the one that is best. This review the details. Okay, automatically the background go. You can click here, click. Then if you notice it's transparent now. But to make it more real, you go back to bitmap, go to outline trace, use line art, and you just give it a little time. Most times I prefer to delete the original, so I delete the original there. So let's test it on the background. Imagine this is a red background. This is what we have. We can now remove the background. White. Then we have our flower. This flower, we can give it any color now. It has been converted back to art. To line art. You can do any design you want on it. Anything you wish is done. That is all for this